Eat finish, you cook next dish pad thai. Cook eat non-stop.
Non-stop으로.
Okay. Right, let's start. A bit hungry, right? Yeah, let's go. So tom yum is a sour soup. Wow. Okay. Oop, you photo already?
It's okay.
Yeah, we're gonna start now. Ready, right. Okay, you can take photo more. Tom yum smell good from this one. Lime. Oh, lemongrass. Sorry, lemongrass. Herbal smell from lemongrass. Everyone take one lemongrass. Hanashi. One.
하나씩.
Hanashi. Yeah.
네, 감사합니다.
We want smell, but this is no smell a lot, right? No smell.
Mm.
Make this way, a lot of smell. Ready, everyone? Chop side outside yourself, and you slap it, shake it. Strong. Yeah. Good. Oh, very good. Strong already? Everyone, now you check the smell.
오, 레몬 맛이 나나?
Refreshing. This is a
레몬
lemongrass smell.
끝났어요.
그렇게 안에 두드리니까 레몬 맛이 나네.
Yeah.
네.
Good.
엄청
Everyone smell
신선하다.
good already. One problem. Boiling, spread your soup. Make it stick together. Yeah. So this way, better. Tie a knot. First, you gonna make the hole like this, right? And you gonna cross one side in the hole. And you pull.
돌려서 묶고.
Tie a knot like this. Better. Ooh.
This?
Oh yes, very good like that.
Can I put in the plate?
Yes.
Yeah.
Everyone, you finish, you put in the tray. Yes, in the plate you have, right? Your own plate.
Still moving on.
Oops.
오케이.
Yeah. Okay.
됐어, 묶었어.
Like this. No need to cutting. When you cut small, right? Everyone, when you cut small, it's kind of.
이게 이름이 뭐래?
레몬그라스.
Lemongrass?
Okay, stick now. Yeah, a bit new style now, like a satellite. Yeah, I like it. NASA satellite over here. Okay. All right. So next one, we gonna make this one, right? The ginger. In English, called galangal ginger, right? You saw Thai 생강.
생강.
하나씩 again. One. Take one. We don't like to eat because it's spicy like wasabi or hot
와사비.
radish, right? Only smell in soup. Cut big, everyone. Thai style this way. Thai style cut cross like this in restaurant, or you like another style, you can cut this way too. Any style you like. Big, thick like this.
오케이, 좀 크게 자르라고 그러지 뭐.
A bit hard cut a little. Now be careful.
잘 안 들어? 아빠 갈까?
응.
Everyone, it's hard cut. Be careful your finger. Okay.
해서 이렇게 해서 이렇게 하래. 내 건 이거 해줄게. 아빠한테 줄게.
Yes, very good. Like this.
됐고 이렇게
When you
잡히면.
finish, everyone, you put back to your tray again, right? With lemongrass.
오케이.
Lemongrass.
됐어.
Fresh box?
Oh,
No.
oh, this is trash. Yes, this is
깔끔.
right. Galangal, Thai 생강. Next one, everyone. This is okay. If we go, okay, lime leaf. First, I'll let you smell first. You know, just like a have
또
like a
하나씩 주는 거야?
good smell. If you don't like it, you don't need to put in. Like or don't like. Smell first.
It's good, yes.
It's good, right? Okay, you put like. If you like it, everyone, you can take two like this, right? Example, 2 or 3. 2 or 3. If don't like, only one or half.
향 좋아하면은 두세 개. 별로 안
2 or 3 and you
한 개.
pass. Thank you.
지금은 현이는 하나 넣고 아빠는 넣지 말고 이렇게
2개,
해볼까?
3개 and you pass, right?
Okay.
2 or 3.
난향 좋은데.
아니 그렇게도 맛보고 안 보게도 맛보게. 그러면
Ooh,
오케이.
money.
No.
Okay.
When you know my short, this one I'm going. Yeah.
네.
Okay.
놔두면 되지 뭐. 오케이. 같이 하는 거야?
이거 다 넣을 것 같아.
아 그래?
아빠 안 넣을 거야? 한 개만 넣어.
니는 좀 너무 많이 넣고 아빠는
You,
적당히.
yeah, exactly. I think you need more.
오케이.
I thought that was defective.
No. Thank you. Everyone, let's preparing.
근데 이거 과일이 너무 예쁜데 여기 있는 게.
One enough, right? One. Good, good.
I made 3.
We're gonna be okay. I like it too. I'll put a lot. Everyone, we're gonna prepare very easy, right? So first, you fold the leaf like this together, half. Yeah, fold half, and we're gonna take the stem in the middle out like this. You split the stem. Only
심지빼라고?
stem, throw in
심지빼래.
the trash.
됐어?
정해서.
심지빼.
오.
오케이 아빠.
Like this,
Oh, you can do one side too. Okay? It's okay. Sometimes it doesn't come together. Right?
질기다 그럴 거지 뭐.
Like this.
그지?
That's right. Smell great. Extra for you, little bit. Kaffir lime leaf, Kaffir, right? Kaffir. Yeah, this is a kaffir lime leaf. And for you guys, I know it's a new name a lot and a lot of information, right? No worry to remember everything. After class, I give you cooking books. Recipe book, everything inside.
끝나면 레시피북 준대.
못 읽는데 뭐.
And then I recording every step, you know. You said that you can give me a book, yeah.
Oh, do you remember too, right? If you record everything. Am I look okay? Okay. sorry. Okay. The next one we prepare is over here. Everyone, lime leaf.
레몬. 레몬 와인?
One.
One?
Lime slide. Sorry.
오케이.
Lime
대거.
slide. This one.
That's one?
Oh yeah, take one.
네.
Lime slide.
레몬 넣자.
나 입는 약간 레몬 같고 좀
레몬만.
We gonna squeeze some lime, right? But let me share a little trick. A little bit. Thai style, mostly you squeeze like this, right? But most of Thai people like to squeeze this way. First, put the tip of the knife in the bowl. Back of the knife, you gonna squeeze again. This way you can see the juice. Not spread around. It's follow the knife.
안 튀게 하는.
This is a common trick
오케이.
in Thai kitchen.
현이가 한번 해봐.
너 해봐.
아빠 걸로 해봐. 이거 좀 별
Make
짰어?
sure. Oh, right side. Ooh, very good. When you squeeze,
하나 배웠다.
you can use with a fork or spoon too. Nah? It's work the same. And,
포크나
if you
덜
squeeze
위험하겠다.
lime this way, right?
그냥 짜면 흩어지니까.
Нет, ты мою сделаешь.
Yeah. All the juice out, right? Good. No juice left. You can try if you like or throw away, right? The
이렇게
skin
되고?
without boiling. Yes. Throw it in the trash. Okay. Lime already, everyone.
됐어.
먹어봐 맛.
뭐
And you
맛 한번 봐.
you have two more,
레몬
right?
맛은 아니고.
Lime for sour. Salty, you have this one. Nam pla in Thai. Fish sauce. Yeah, in English, right? Ekchot. Ekchot in Korea. For salty in Tom Yum. And this one, everyone, look like a jam. It's a pardon?
Looks like tamarind.
Look like no, this one a little is paste, chili paste, Thai chili paste. Yeah, look like tamarind a little. Yeah, you can try everyone.
Spicy?
Little spicy. Yes, little spicy. You try everyone. Try it. You love it.
좀 맵대.
It's fish sauce?
Oh, that one fish. Oh, try a tamarind paste.
Tamarind paste.
Sorry. Chili paste. Chili paste.
Chili paste?
Yeah, try
고추장.
And
fish sauce. Fish sauce.
태국식 고추장.
Fish sauce.
fish
Fish
sauce.
sauce.
우리
Yeah,
한국에
and this is
한국에-
chili paste. You can try a little.
Oh yeah.
생고기 소스 같은데.
Many Korean told me like gochujang.
약간 비슷해.
Thai gochujang, maybe Thai gochujang. Okay, so this is the brand we use today for you, right? You can find everywhere because number one brand. Very good taste, right? Much so, right? So everywhere 7-Eleven have. This one you can take a photo according to
약간
this.
순창고추장
맞아.
브랜드.
이거
맛있다.
여기다가
달다. 엄청 달다.
아니
It's a
It's jam, chicken jam.
oh yeah, it's like chili jam or chili paste.
이거 맛있다.
Thai style.
향이 사가다.
찍어가자.
Yeah, the brand we use today. The brand we use today.
Uh-huh.
잘안 돼.
저거 정보는 내가 찍지. 모아보기 편해.
여기다가 참기름만 딱 넣으면 생고기 소스 딱이에요. 보니까 맞네. 생고기 뭐, 아짜.
맛있죠?
네 맛있네.
안 맵고 맛있어요.
One.
소스 하나씩.
One 하나씩. Everyone tomato. This is
Tomato.
the pink tomato, Thai tomato. Very juicy and sweet. Eat Thai food good, sour too. We cut big, na eat Thai style, na. The bottom like this out, and after that you cut
이것도 먹어?
half. Finish.
중간에 가르고.
Like this, finish.
Wow, very difficult.
아 반만
Yeah,
가르네.
so
오케이.
difficult.
자 아빠도.
But Thai style like cut to big like this when boiling, right? Still keep big. If you cut smaller, you can do too, but gone when you boiling. Who like a little
Yes.
extra tomato?
오케이.
No, right? Who like extra a little?
음.
Okay.
왜?
Okay.